Hi everybody, this is your week 12 check-in. Can you believe it? After this week you have 2 weeks left, and honestly that last week of Thanksgiving is only like 2 days. So you have very few days left that probably either excites you or freaks you out a little bit. I did want to remind you that next week is my last week I can meet with you in person, which means that end date on your calendar of 11/26 is not the real end date, which I knew it might not be, but that is the last day that the class closes for submissions. So your last day to come in and see me for anything that is from previous units that are still technically allowed to be turned in is, again, Monday, 11 to 3 o'clock p.m. At Barry Goldwater High School, 11 a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m., excuse me. And Tuesday, oh, it's my daughter. Hold on, baby. Tuesday, 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Come here, babe. And 1 o'clock. You want to come here? No? Oh, come here. 1 o'clock, excuse me, 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. This is Ellie. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, and that is going to be again at Barry Goldwater High School. So hold on 1 second, okay? That's Tuesday, 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock at Barry Goldwater High School, and then again at 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. I do have a meeting between 11 and 1, okay? Please start looking at your calendars for finals as well. Please remember, those are, let me go quadruply check, but December 3rd, 4th, and 5th. From 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock at Barry Goldwater High School as well, okay? Please reach out if you need me. Make an appointment with me for Monday or Tuesday if you have not already. And I hope you guys have a really great weekend. Thanks so much. Say bye.
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 Mama.
Hold on.